Sketching quadratics. A sketch of a quadratic graph is just that, a sketch and not a plot. It will be expected to show important features such as the coordinates of the turning point, the y-intercept, x-intercepts should they exist. X-intercepts may not be required if they are difficult to find, for example, if they need the quadratic formula. The different forms of the quadratic equation may help. So, for example, with general form ax squared plus bx plus c, the c here tells us the y-intercept is at the point 0, c. Here we have turning point form, and this time I've actually used different letters here, D and E, because if I use B and C, don't get confused that they're the same values, so D and E. Well, that tells us the turning point is at DE. Now, note how the formula works. It's x minus D and then a plus E. The D's changed sign and the E has stayed the same. So if we had y is equal to 3, x plus 2 squared, add 4, the turning point here would actually be at negative 2. We change the sign in there, but the sign here stays the same. It will be at negative 2, 4. And then we also have the x-intercept form, which tells us the x-intercepts are at f0 and g0. So if we had y equals 2, x minus 3, x plus 2, note how these are both minuses, so we need to change the sign. We would have x-intercepts at 3, 0 and at negative 2, 0. Think back to solving quadratic equations and you'll see how this one gives you 3 and you'll see how this one gives you negative 2. It's because those are what the values that make the brackets equal to 0.